Hey everyone, we are doing another preschool lesson today with wonderful Georgia. And Georgia, what are we drawing today?
Hedgehog!
We're drawing a hedgehog because they're super cute. And what do they have on them? Got little spiky bits, don't they?
Yeah, and them hard.
Yeah, if we touch them, but they're really cute. They're really sweet.
There's some that has them don't have.
Yeah, we don't want to touch them.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, the first thing we're going to start with is we're going to start with our hedgehog's little nose.
Okay.
That's it. You did it. Good job all by yourself. We're going to start with a little circle for his nose. Okay, so it goes like this. It's just a nice little circle like that. And you can draw a little one there. Good job. I like it. And now we're going to start with his face. So we're going to draw a curve that comes up a little bit, but just a short one. That's all right. You did a good job there. So I'm going to draw his face like that. Can you draw a little curve that goes up? That's it. Good job. And then we're going to draw the bottom side of his face, and then it comes up like that. So just a curve, kind of like a smiley face. That's it. Good job. That's all right. Okay, and then we're going to join these two together here. Okay, so from this line to this line, we're going to join them here.
Like I did.
Yeah, good job. Can you join that one to there? Good job. Good joining. I like it.
It's like a banana.
It's like a banana.
Like we drew.
Yeah, we drew a banana, didn't we? And what do hedgehogs have on their face?
Eyes.
Eyes. Are you ready to draw an eye?
Little owl.
Little eyes. Yeah, so we're going to draw a little eye like this. So you can draw a little eye there. Good job. I like it. I'm going to color in my little eye because you've got it colored in too. And then I'm going to draw a little mouth here. I'm going to draw a little smile. So you can see if you can try to fit one in there. Good job. You're doing awesome. All right.
He's like a monster.
He's like a monster, like a little hedgehog monster. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to start to draw his big body. Okay. And his body's got spikes on it. Okay. So we're going to draw a circle like this. We're going to go round.
It's like you
and
have
down.
to.
Okay, so we're going to start here.
Big one.
Yes. Wow, good job. And then we're going to draw a little line that goes at the bottom of our hedgehog. So we can draw a little line to here. That's it. That's okay. We're going to color in our hedgehogs. Okay. And what about the little spikes that hedgehogs have on them? Should we do some of those? Let's draw some spikes. So we can draw some little spikes going like this. And then we'll color these in. Do you want to try some?
Yeah.
So on top of that line, that's it. And keep going all the way around. That's it. You're doing
always
awesome.
hide and sleep.
Yes, they're always hiding and sleeping. Good job. You did all the hedgehog spikes. That's it. You can stop there. That's it.
Don't do them all.
They don't have any underneath because that's where their feet are. Are you ready to draw a hedgehog's little feet? We're going to draw 2 feet over here. One here and one there. You ready?
Show me.
Okay, so we're going to draw a little line out like this. And draw a little line out. That's it. And you can try to join this one for me. Good job. And then we're going to...
just put there.
That's okay. We're going to color in anyway. And then we're going to draw a little line coming down. That's it. And then back in. Good job. And can you draw the same thing on the other side?
Yeah.
A little line in. That's it. And then down a bit. That's it. And then back in.
I just have
Good job. Excellent work. And what's our favorite thing about doing drawings?
drawing.
What about coloring? Yes, you like coloring? Are you ready to color in your hedgehog? Oh yeah, we got to put our pens back. We're going to fast forward through our coloring, so you can always pause to catch up, but we're just going to be using some light brown and some dark brown for our hedgehogs, aren't we? Are you ready to color? Well done. Okay. Well, Georgia, we did some really cute hedgehogs. What do you think?
Yeah.
Was that a nice, fun, easy lesson? You colored in so well. Lots of little spikes you drew and you tried to color them the best you could and you did an awesome job. How about high five? Boom, high five for you. Another one. Good job. Hope you really enjoyed that lesson. It was a really fun, easy one for preschoolers. Nice little cute hedgehog, and I'm sure yours are super cute too. What do you say, Georgia?
Bye, everyone.
Say bye, everyone. See you next time. High five. Good job. It's upside down.
See you.
Hey.